I'm here at the Osborne International Horse Trials. Piggy French has won, so I'm pleased about that, my favourite eventer. I've just been testing this out around the estate, been through a few rivers, give it some welly, and do you know what? It's passed every single test I could give it, really. So I'll talk you through it. It's a Utah, and we've called it a Seeker Fury. We've added wide arches, lift kit, extra deep dish all-terrain tyres. We have to do a few alterations underneath to make sure these wheels fix. It's very tight. We've added a chin bar, tinted lights, bonnet bar, headlight protected, privacy glass, black pack, exo rear roll bars. So basically for $15,995 plus VAT, you can have this 14 plate Utah with leather, 54,000 miles, full ISUZU. It's a 12 months warranty. We can offer £15,000 over 5 years for $299 a month. Instant part exchange, price match. Like I say, absolutely tested to the hilt here at Osborne today. Been everywhere in it, and I'm over the moon with it. It does what it says on the tin. It's a nice example. It's a Seeker Fury, only available from Seeker UK. So call down and come and see our selection. We've got over 60 in build, from Rangers, SsangYongs, Nissan, ISUZU, Mercedes. We are the UK's largest styling pickup dealer by a country mile. There's nobody near us now. We're selling something like 35 to 40 a month now. And the reason we're doing so well is because everything we do is quality and value for money. So we're not out there like deranged at 40, 50, 60 grand. We're out there between 15 and 30k for our price range stuff. Give us a call again, like I say, come and see us. If you want your truck styling like this, we can do that as well. Alright, hope you've had a nice day like I have testing this out.